Now, amid an uproar over the rape and murder of a trainee doctor in India's West Bengal, the Indian Medical Association, the largest organization of medical staff, have appealed to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to come up with a central law to check violence against healthcare professionals. Also, to declare hospitals as safe zones with mandatory security entitlements. Speaking of the doctor who was found dead at the Kolkata-based RG Kar hospital last week, the IMA said 36 hours of duty shift that the victim was in and the lack of safe spaces to rest and adequate restroom warrants a thorough overhaul of the working and living conditions of resident doctors. Pan-India protests over the doctor's rape and murder continue. Marches and candlelight vigils are being held across multiple locations in India as a sign of sympathy towards the victim. Taking stock of the situation, the central government has directed all states to submit reports on law and order situation every 2 hours. Kolkata police have limited public gatherings around RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, which was vandalized by miscreants amid protests. The Central Bureau of Investigation has sped up the probe in the case. The former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, is appearing before the CBI for the third consecutive day. West Bengal Orthopedic Association has announced its decision to remove Dr. Ghosh, who is an orthopedic professor, from all academic activities. He was questioned for several hours by the central agency yesterday and the day before. Nursing staff, ward boys and security guards working with the hospital have also been questioned. Also, a 5-member team of the Central Forensic Science Laboratory has arrived in Kolkata and will be conducting a psychoanalysis test and a layered voice analysis test of the prime accused, Sanjoy Roy. The victim's father has raised questions on lapses that led to his daughter's death, questioning how her absence was not missed, despite her being the doctor on duty.
My daughter left for duty at around 8:10 a.m. on that day. She was on OPD and last spoke to her mother at around 11:15 p.m. In the morning, when my wife called her, her phone was ringing but no one picked up. By that time, my daughter died. The matter of concern is that from 3 a.m. to 10 a.m., nobody needed her, despite she was an on-duty doctor.
Meanwhile, Kolkata police has summoned actor-turned-politician and BJP leader Loket Chatterjee and 2 doctors in connection with the alleged spread of misinformation. They have been directed to appear before police at 3 p.m. today for questioning.